Hi, my name is Tania Wallace and I am the Vice President at DecorWorks. Today, what we're going to talk about is why Cedar City is such a great place to live and to grow a business and to work. There are so many wonderful things here. So what does DecorWorks do? Well, what we do is we help businesses across the country figure out what their image is and then how to tie that through everything that their business does, like their branding and their setting, so like their store. So we started with serving the grocery industry because they were in such need of figuring out who they were and how to bring in guests. We go in and we do all of Harmon's, which is one that's local to Utah, and we go through and we do hundreds of Brookshires. So we have big accounts across the entire country. In Cedar, some of our big projects is we work with the university. So we'll go in and we'll help renovate some of their buildings. And we also did SUMA and the Beverly Center here. So we outfitted, we worked with a consultant, figured out their branding, went in, did all of their signage. And then we also do businesses around town. So we've done like the She Boutique that's here. We've worked with Brody's. We did the Cedar City Police Department branding. So we're widespread within the city and they're taking advantage of all of these different offerings that we do. So if I could give any advice of people who are wanting to go to SCU and what is it that you do, there are so many programs there. So I went through the graphic design program, and so they had extra things like Art Insights where you could go and learn from professionals. And I've been interacting a lot with the business department. And the business department has so many great entrepreneur speaker series. They have different clubs. They have so many things that you can get involved, interact with other students, interact with professionals. So whatever track you're going in, there's somewhere that you can rub shoulders with people in your industry and you can sit and ask questions and explore ideas and really grow what it is that you're wanting to do. There's a large range of knowledge and expertise that the professors are just giving you. As a business, we've utilized so many great relationships that are here in Cedar City. So the two most impactful ones have been the Chamber of Commerce and Cedar City's Economic Development Office. And we've created relationships in very different ways. So the Chamber of Commerce, they've really helped us become a part of the business community. When we were first starting, it was the Chamber of Commerce that helped us get in and grow and be connected. And as the economic development within the last couple of years, since we've been redoing our building, they've helped us go in and navigate what type of tax incentives we can take advantage of, what it is that we need to do in working with the state. They've helped us navigate all of these pieces that we wouldn't have known without them. And so with these two entities, we've been able to go through and figure out pieces of the puzzle that we didn't know exist. And they have really helped us grow and become a part of the community that Cedar City has to offer. Over the last several decades, we've been given many opportunities to relocate outside of Cedar City and the state. And we've chosen to stay here time and time again, even if the other deals were so sweet, because there's something that Cedar City offers that you can't find anywhere else. It offers that friendship. When you come in and you're in the community, you'll find that people are focused on the relationships with each other and not on keeping up with the Joneses. Because we're so close to the national parks, that work-life harmony, it's really easy to implement. Your life isn't driven by your business and the hustle to just make more money. Future goals, like our big, audacious, hairy goals, is that we're wanting to work and service 1 million businesses. So how we're gonna do this and what we're working on is we're taking everything that we know about running a business, that we know about figuring out your setting and working with your people, is that we're putting that into an education program. Because there's so much that businesses are asking for and they're trying to figure out what to do because the industry is changing. Now we're taking all of that and we're wrapping it together so that we can roll it out to massive amounts of businesses. And Cedar City really helps us do that because all of the things that we're learning is we're working with our partners here and really testing and we're really figuring out, okay, what works and what doesn't work. Why Cedar City? Well, if you boil all of this down, what it is it's the people that live here, the opportunities that you have to work with other organizations, and the lifestyle that it offers for you, your family, and your business. that is it for this video. Hit the like button if you liked it or you're wanting to look more into Cedar City because there are so many great things here. And thank you for watching.